Carbon dioxide is one of the main drivers of climate change. Its effects can be seen everywhere, from the hastened melting of the polar ice caps to heat waves across the world. To mitigate these effects, carbon capture and utilization technologies are being developed. These technologies capture CO2 from concentrated sources or from diffused sources directly from the atmosphere. The extracted CO2 is then used as raw material to synthesize mainly fuels and other carbon-containing products. Once used for societal services, these products will generate again CO2 at the end of their life, which leads to three possible scenarios. CO2 can either be re-emitted into the atmosphere, generating a positive CO2 emission, or it can be recaptured and stored on the ground, thus creating a negative CO2 emission. Ideally, CO2 is captured again and C atoms are recycled and reused indefinitely. A circular economy is thus generated, creating a net zero carbon emission. However, CCU technologies are still facing a range of technical and environmental challenges, such as the collection and purification of CO2 directly from air, the availability of large amount of carbon-free renewable energy, the energy inefficiency of the process to convert CO2 into products. Clearly, the EU needs to develop a regulatory and investment framework for CCU in order to facilitate the development of CCU applications and to achieve the goals of a carbon-free economy and eventually tackle climate change.